Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thank you for always watching our videos. Please always remember to subscribe, like and share, and also turn up the notification bell so you know when we upload a new video. Thank you. So on today's vlog, I got some leaves because my children, they have cough and catarrh. So I got, my elder sister brought some leaves for me. Lime leaf, that's the first one, scent leaf, and lemongrass. So she said, so we have to boil them together for them to bathe with, so that it will relieve the cough and catarrh that they have. So she brought them for me, so I have to wash them thoroughly, remove all these dead leaves, the brown ones. You remove them, the ones that are not good, you remove them, then you wash thoroughly. This lime leaf, you wash thoroughly, then put in a kettle, then boil so that you can bathe them with. Some persons, they drink the solution after you've boiled it, but they are still young. I don't think giving them to drink will be okay. So we just want to boil and bathe them with the water. Apart from children using it, I think adults can also use it. If you have cough and catarrh and cold and maybe fever, if you are feverish, I think you can boil and bathe with it and even drink. So this is the one I boiled that we're using right now. So after, if the quantity you bought, because you can also get them from the market, if the quantity you bought is too much for you, you can save in a dry and open place so that air can touch them. Don't tie them. If you tie them and you're not using it immediately, they will get bad. So this is why I kept the ones that are remaining, so that I can use them later. I think this will also serve me for 2 or 3 times more. So that's it. So water is ready, baby is bathing already, but that's my elder sister, she's bathing her with the leaf water that we bought. So that's my baby bathing. Go. Tata go. As the person with the rag knife at the press button, I can put in. So after she finished bathing and massaging her body, pressing her with mild water, that's the water, just to press her body and massage it. Went ahead after dressing. My baby was so lazy and she slept off. Thank you for watching our today's vlog. Please remember to subscribe, like and share, and also comment on our videos. So if you have catarrh and cough, you can try these leaves to bathe for your catarrh and cough to relieve you. So thank you for watching. We love you. Bye bye. Mwah.